Looking to start an exciting career in phlebotomy? At Inspire London College, we help you succeed through our class-based phlebotomy training delivered by qualified trainers with years of experience in the industry. You will learn from the very best, gaining knowledge that's comprehensive and up-to-date. Our training program begins with a Part 1 certificate, covering both theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Gain the confidence to work in clinical settings with our Part 2 certificate based on advanced practical sessions, including live blood drawing in GP clinics. Upon completion, get the certificate to show your expertise and secure incredible opportunities. We have helped hundreds of students to excel in this rewarding role. Let's hear from some of them.
My name is George. I am a student at Inspire London College, training in phlebotomy. It's been my first session in a clinic today, and I've had a fantastic time training with Yasmin, and the patients were very happy. I don't think I've injured anyone permanently, so that's lovely. And I would definitely recommend Inspire London College as a training resource for anyone interested in learning to become a phlebotomist.
Hello, I'm Vindhya. I'm a student from Inspire College London, and today I completed my Part 2 phlebotomy course. I did the first part last week. I really enjoyed it. All the trainers are really helpful and friendly, and I really enjoyed it, so I came straight back for Part 2. My trainer today was Yasmin, who was amazing. She was so helpful. She gave me such good tips, and I felt really supported and confident when I was taking blood from some patients today. And I've passed my qualification, and I'm really excited to start practicing as a phlebotomist. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Naomi. I took the phlebotomy course at Aspire London, and I had a great experience. I had a lot of different clients to practice on, and very, very good training, good explanations. My trainer was great, Yasmin. She always was there for me and had, great confidence in me. And that really, really helped me in my training. And yes, I'm very happy.
Hi, my name is Ilyas Khan. I'm one of the students from Inspire College London. Today was my practical assessment over here at Brentford Medical Centre. Went really well. Trainer was excellent. Learned so much. Um, can't wait to get into the phlebotomy and start working.
Enroll today in our phlebotomy training and make your mark in the healthcare industry as a certified phlebotomist.